If you can dream it, you can do it. Hello mga Mars! Welcome back again sa aking garden. And for today's video, we are going to feature an aloe plants. The plant fan aloe, it is known as Aloe pilicatis or Kumara pilicatis. This succulent is native to the mountains of the Western Cape in South Africa. It is known for its distinctive fan-shaped arrangement of pale blue-green leaves. The plant can grow into a small tree, reaching up to the 5 meters in height. It thrives in a well-draining soil and prefers a sunny positions, but can also tolerate partial shade.